What's up, y'all? It's your boy TAOR for sure, man. I'm here to show you how to convert any file that you need converted in 5 minutes or less. You know what I'm talking about? If you got a WAV file, you need an MP3. How do I convert it to MP3? I don't know how to convert it. I'm going to show you how to do it, yo. Word. You with me? Let's rock.
Odds in your favor, 701, everybody got a gun, get live on concert, nobody move, nobody get hurt.
Alright, step by step. What you first want to do is go online, right? And we're going to keep it real simple. Convert audio file. Type in what Windows you're using. I'm using 7 right now, you know what I mean? Windows 7. So, type in convert audio file, Windows 7, Windows, whatever you're using, right? You know what I mean? Search. Boom, blam. Right? This was going to pop up. Sound File Converter, award winning, NCH. That's what you want right there. First joint right there, that NCH joint. Click that right there, you know what I'm talking about? This the screen you're looking for. NCH software, switch audio file, trust and believe it's safe and secure. I wouldn't even be sharing it with you or downloading it on my joint if it were. I done done this before, alright? Hit that download button, come on down, hit that arrow, you know what I'm talking about? Click them, hit that joint right there, open the ass up, you know what I'm talking about? Ugh. What? That's what you're looking at. You want to hit that yes, right? Hit that yes. Don't worry, already ready for you. It took me like 2 weeks to figure this out, and I'm getting it to you fresh. I accept. Boom, blam. She download. You know what I'm talking about? Boom. There she go right there. Switch sound, right? And what you want to do is you want to minimize. Now, if you smart, right? Which I did was y'all know how to bookmark, I'm sure. Bookmark that page, you click that star right there, and it's gonna pop up right there, and you ain't never, ever again gotta type in all that madness. You just go right to your bookmark, it's right there on the joint, right? So if you know how to bookmark, just bookmark it. Hit that star, click them. I ain't gonna hit it, because I already got it. Like I said, boom, blank, you know what I mean? Alright, so we got it. Go ahead and minimize that screen right there, you know, because you might need it later on. There, this is the screen you're looking for, right? That's what you're looking for. You want to add file. You know what I mean? Because she already set for the MP3. Let's go up in here. Output format. That's what's very important. A lot of people going to ask you for the MP3 form. It's already set up because I've been doing this for a minute. Now, there are other options if they need it in movie form, wave. Some of us, we gotta transform it to wave to download it into our DAWs, the digital audio workstations. You know what I'm talking about? But since we already got it set to MP3, blam, you hit add file, click whatever the song is. Let's just say. This the song, right? You click it, you hit open. I don't even know what Warfare is. I mean, I just so many songs I can't remember. Alright, now what I will tell you is that you can only do one song per download because this is free. You see what I'm saying? It's free. So you can only do one at a time. There's the con to the pro. But you add your file, you got your song right here. Let's just say the Warfare. You want to put it to MP3, you know what I mean? You go over here, you hit that convert button, boom, blam. So she downloading. Let's just say you ain't never had it. I'm doing this again. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So now she in there. Now what you want to do next is open output folder. Please do this. Open output folder. You need to do that. You click that because you need to know where it is. You see what I'm saying? Okay, so here we go, right? MP3, that's the joint we just did. What you want to do, right click, that's your joint. right? You want to send it to documents, right? Bam, send it to documents. Now, from here, what you can do is minimize your screens. Minimize it, don't close nothing out. Minimize it, so that way you can go right back to it in case something stupid happens. You know what I mean? Like I said, once again, you only get one per. You get one per. So what you're gonna have to do is like right now, for instance, you can right click, go to that screen right there, it's gonna pop up. You hit the delete button. When you hit the delete button, that's gonna, now don't hit yes. You want to hit program, take you right to the grid, to the grot of it. You know what I mean? Programs and features. Go right to the programs and the features player. Now I'm talking about, now hit that. Don't worry about hit this one right here. You know what I mean? That's gonna take you straight to it. This is really gonna clear it out. That's what you want to get rid of. Sound file converter. Right? Right click it. That'll pop up. Uninstall it, right? And you're gonna get that, uninstall, switch, blab, yep. Next. Did y'all see that? I'm gonna go back. Uninstall, next, boom. No, I don't want to tell you why. This is what we're doing. I don't want to tell you why I'm deleting it. It's not important. Finish. You feel me? It's not important why. Close. Bam. You can close this. Y'all know what it is. Close it, right? And then let's say you want to email it somewhere, right? And I got my joint hooked up. I got my email. I go to my apps. You know what I mean? If you want to email it somewhere, go to your Gmail. Hit that plus so you can compose. Now, right now, what you have done is you have MP3'd it. You have documented and you send it to the documents. Now, you come here, right? Who you gonna send it to? Of course, I'm gonna send it to me right quick. You know what I mean? On blind. You know what I mean? Music. I just put music on mine. You can put whatever you want to for yours on, of course. Go to your pen, wham, add. It should pop up. There go your song. Warfare MP3. Select. Right? Select. Open. Boom. And she is downloading an MP3 form. It was a wave. That says she downloading. It's gonna take a minute. Just hit that send when you finish. Bam. Ah.
Hey, TAOR, we gonna be rapping this shit?
Hold up. I'm trying to get this shit straight.
No, man, cause I got something that fall ill on this joint, for real.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm talking about. For sure. Oh, I.